Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And today is Mother's Day, you guys. I'm so excited. Happy Mother's Day to everybody and to all the moms and the dads who act like moms. Let's get this day popping. It's an amazing day, you guys. It should be Mother's Day every day, but it's Mother's Day today. So yeah. So this video is going to be a crazy video that I did a couple of days ago, and I covered my side table using tin foil. So let's just get into the video, you guys. This is so crazy. I don't know what I thought of to do this, but it came out okay. So first thing I'm going to do is measure the side of the side table, and I'm going to cut a piece. Well, I'm actually going to put this all over the top of the side table. So I'm using the tin foil all over the side of the side table, you guys. And the list of all the stuff that I use is going to be down in the description box below. So I'm going to grab a bit of Mod Podge on my foam brush, and I'm going to apply it in small areas because it dries up so fast. So I'm going to apply it in small areas on my side table, and I'm going to smooth it out. So this is what I'm doing now. This DIY was so crazy. I don't know what I thought of, but I'm trying to be a cheapanista. I'm trying to be the cheapanista to find out which way to get a mirrored look on my side table without having to spend a lot of money. So yeah. So of course I'm using the shiny part up on my tin foil. You know, there's a dull side and there's a nice shiny side. So I'm using the more shiny part on the outside and sticking the dull side onto the side table. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that all over the side table. And I also use a napkin to smooth it out because it's so, like, it tears so quickly. So I'm gonna just use that to smooth it out. I'm going ahead and doing the sides of the side table, the edges. You guys, I've had the side table for so long, and I wanted to do something with this because it's already like been through us with so many moves, and I'm just like tired of the way it looks. So yeah, again, it's all about smoothing it on, like really taking your time with this. And you have to be really careful because one little move will just tear the whole thing up. So you have to be really careful. Okay, so I did the whole sides of the whole dresser, which is the top and the other side. I'm just covering up the face of it now, which is going to be the top face, like the front of it, and the cover of the drawers. So I added a piece of foil onto the edge of it with my glue, and I'm now going to smooth it out. Again, you can smooth it out whatever way you want. This could be an antique look. I might go for it because it was just a little bit too difficult to get it all smoothed out. But this is what it's looking like when I really take my time and smooth that. I did also add some Mod Podge on the inside so I could stick some foil on the inside of the drawer as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other sides just the same way as I did the top one. And I'll be right back to show you how I do the front of the drawers. So first we're going to do the edges of the drawers. And I'm gonna cut small pieces of foil and just add my Mod Podge around it and add these pieces of foil. The Mod Podge sticks so quickly, you guys, and it gets so gooey so quickly. So it's kind of really easy to work with if you're doing it in small patches. So, and I did have a couple of difficulties with this because I can't get the foil to stay unwrinkled. So it was hard to like always get a unwrinkled part of foil to put on there. But it's all about smoothing it on and really taking your time with this. I'm trying to think of how long it took me to get this done. I think it probably took me like 2 hours to get this done. I'm not 100% sure, but maybe 2 hours. So this is what it's looking like before I add the front piece of it. It's not bad actually. So I'm gonna add some Mod Podge. And add my face to that, like the piece of foil on the top. And for the knobs, you guys, I'm just gonna put the hole. I'm just gonna poke the hole into the front of the dresser, and I just pushed my knob in from the inside, and it was perfectly fine. There was no tearing. I did also add some Mod Podge and some glitter onto the knobs. So this is the end product, you guys. I added some mirror at the top. I hope you like this video. This is a crazy video, you guys. I hope you like this video and go ahead and try this out. It's so much fun, and you never know what you can do with this. There is something called silver leafing, so go ahead and try it out, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me like comment down below, and share with your friends this crazy DIY. Thank you guys for watching. Happy Mother's Day, you guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.